screwing around and start!
Alright, game 2, windups versus samurais. Who goes first? You decide.
AKA the reason Konami should unban Gateway.
Here, you can cut. Who goes first?
We didn't cut.
I don't remember if we did or not.
I don't remember.
You decide who goes first.
You.
Alright. Set 2, go. Space this.
Rhoda.
Alright, that's fine. Okay. Alright.
United.
Yep.
Kieki.
To summon.
Smoke signal.
Yep.
No, wait, that's not like a 3.
You doing crazy orders? Yes.
No. Classic.
What the heck? Wait, where is I'm so confused at what's happening.
Nothing really matters. Anyone can see.
16.
Wait, does he get the attack boost?
No. It's a she, too.
Oh, I mean him.
Oh, yeah, he does.
Oh, that guy's doing
How close her?
Orange.
Alright.
Go.
Space that one.
They actually know.
So, there.
You also weren't in the center.
Armless.
I couldn't move.
Let's go.
Yeah, I understand why you use it.
Sorry, can I get a move shot?
Yep.
Selling keys off?
Yep. No response. Two cards in hand. You can't even do it. You can't even touch me.
That's not that much. That's it. It's gotta be it.
And he's in the 18, right?
18, yep.
Alright.
25.
Yep.
Here we go.
Train for 300 years at a naval army base. There you
10.
get over 300 confirmed kills.
Yeah.
Search.
And Sonic the Hedgehog.
In before.
Yep.
In before Sonic the Hedgehog. There.
That's fine.
Yeah.
I was completely obsessed with that Solaris Phase 2 song yesterday. Sonic 06 has amazing music.
This is a pretty decent sense, right?
I bet it does, Matt. I bet it does.
Dang it, little Firefox.
Sonic Bear.
Yeah.
Tanky.
No.
Shikani.
What does that do?
Whenever a samurai I have would be destroyed, I can negate the activation. I think that would destroy it and destroy it. Oh wait. Yep. Oh wait. Yep. That works. It says spell trap. Unlikely. No monster. Okay.
That's game. I can't even bluff because you can negate the bluff. Game.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, and make sure to comment down below. If you want to watch our other channels, click the jellyfish to watch Blue play games such as Binding of Isaac Rebirth, or click the butterfly to view our new channel where I will talk about random anime, gaming, or silly top 10 topics. Thanks for watching, and as always, have a wonderful day. Yeah.